Lulu. This is Lulu. Every time the refrigerator gets open, loves to nibble at your feet to let you know that she wants some attention. Right now, she wants some grapes. You want a treat? Sit. Girl, sit. Good girl. Get it. Good girl. Yeah. You want another one? Another treat? Here. Here you go, Lulu. Come get it. Bless your heart. You can't get no traction. Here. Get it, girl. Arr, arr, arr. Good girl. Good girl, Lulu. Come on. Come over here. Come to Daddy. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. Here's a treat. We got one more for you. Come on. Come on, let's get a treat. Alright. You want a treat? Sit. Sit. There you go. Good girl. Yummy, huh? Good girl, Lulu. Yummy. Yeah. That's more laying down, but I'll give you a A for effort.